Hello and welcome back for another Fantom price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis here on the Fantom chart and also give you my next price targets. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and also check out the channel membership. And you can see that at the time of this recording, Fantom has continued to hold above these ascending trend line that I have here on the charts, still suggesting that as long as we continue holding above it, there are high chances that Fantom is going to continue gearing up and continue unlocking higher prices. At the time of this recording, we are also holding below the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is now acting as a resistance for us to continue gearing up. Here on the Fantom chart, I have also continued to track these Elliot structure that I have on the charts in yellow, where you can see that after seeing our massive crash on the 10th of June, having a low, giving us a low at around the $0.2124 mark, we started this bounce to the upside in a move that is now obeying the Elliot structures, where I'm tracking this move to the upside, having that as the first wave to the upside. Then we saw this corrective structure over here in the formation of this wave 2, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, I gave you a minimum target area in the formation of this wave 2 between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.618, and you can see that we managed to get into that target area, seeing a reaction of the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5 in what could now be the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3, which we expect after seeing the formation of that wave 2. And using the trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, that now gives me a minimum target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.3437 mark. So in case Fantom continues to gear up, we see a successful break above the wave 1 high at around the $0.2728 mark, continue holding above it, see a break above the key area of resistance at around the $0.3075 mark, and also possibly get a successful retest, then there are high chances that Fantom is going to get back above the $0.34 mark once more in the formation of that wave 3 before we can expect a wave 4, then continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 5. And in case we see a 5 wave move to the upside here on the Fantom chart and also followed by an ABC corrective structure, that will be enough confirmation that we have now been able to put in place a low over here, and we have now started an impulse to the upper side, and that is better given by my analysis here on the 4-hour chart, where Fantom has also continued to obey the Elliott wave structures. And on the 4-hour chart, you can see that after seeing our bear market lows, that is the December lows, we saw a 5 wave move to the upside, having the wave 5 giving us a high at around the $0.65 mark, completing the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 1. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2, where I had minimum target areas for this wave 2 within this yellow target area on the charts, and that is an area that I came up with using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1. And you can see that we have fully maximized the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78. And at the time of this recording, you can see that at some point we lost the fib level 0.78, though we continue to find support at the fib level 0.88. And as a result of that, I still have the benefit of doubt that this is still a second wave, and Fantom is going to recover to the upside and start that massive bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, and a break below the fib level 0.88 at around the $0.2246 mark. Then now that move could be suggesting that Fantom might give us a reset of the bear market lows, and that is the worst case scenario that we can expect. But as long as we hold above the fib level 0.88, then there are chances that we could start an impulsive move in that wave 3. And I've said to you, to fully confirm that the low is in, I'm expecting Fantom to give us a 5-wave move followed by an ABC corrective structure. Once we see such a move, that will be enough confirmation of a start of an impulse and that we have bottomed out in the formation of that wave 2. Also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 58 mark. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.